Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I went from this color to a little brighter. You guys, I have to go with 2 bottles of my favorite Revlon. I didn't realize I had the jewelry on there, but everything worked out. Okay, so I decided to go with the ombre look. I have not colored my hair all over before, and I choose not to do so. I'm in love with the ombre look. So if you want the ombre look, do it this way. And these are my results. Really loving my hair. I'm so satisfied with the color. It's not too bright. My hair feels healthy. Yeah, the only part about the retwist is the back. Whew, it gives me anxiety. I love it. I'm so happy that I went with my first thought to use the Revlon. I should have did it before, but that's okay. Patience. Great results. I love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye guys.